Okay, now we loaded the empty report into ABIS. It's basically this one. So we have 3 pages, just backgrounds. Okay. Now we can instruct agent to create some dummy data for us. So we can test the theme and receive a collection of some charts. Okay, we have some bug. Okay, now it's writing the tables clean. Okay. Good, now we have some data. Update the tool. Can control the data. Okay, looks good. The measures are there as well. Working. Great. So now we can create a report. Okay, now it understands the current report. I can see already the theme works because the headlines and the charts are correctly formatted. That's a long running agent, so give him some time. Now it's creating the report JSON file. With a report. Slices are working. Region can be selected. Okay, it's not perfectly aligned because here it has to be drop down. It's not too bad. I mean, we're close. All right. Okay, check this in. I think the design theme is good to go. Looks like on the mockups. So yeah. Now we have some visuals. Very good. All right. Nice. Can check this in.